What makes drones so unique? Why is it that we are so fascinated with drone imagery? In the oversaturated world of digital image, the new angle we see the world from gives creators an artistic edge, unique view over things we've already seen on the ground, but this time shown from a bird's eye view. With the help of drones, as soon as you change the perspective slightly, everything looks different. Everything looks beautiful and majestic. With the help of drones, we are rediscovering everything.
Wow. So first of all, I definitely need to start off by saying a huge, massive thank you to all of the creators who helped me create this video. You guys have been completely amazing. You changed the way I perceive this community, and you have showed so much love for the Drone Supremacy community. I cannot thank you enough. Thank you so much. This video was made with the single purpose of showcasing how drones give us a unique perspective, how they allow us to capture precious moments from another angle. And I think no matter where you live and what kind of drone you have this creative freedom to capture unique, precious moments from another angle. And this is something that so far we've never been able to do so easily. And this is why we love drones. So if you love drones yourself, feel free to share this video with everyone you know, with your mother, your grandfather, your grandmother, with your friends, with everyone you want to share the passion with, you want to demonstrate why you love drones. Feel free to share this video and show them why drones are amazing. With that being said, guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Please follow all of the creators who participated in this video. Once again, Thanks to all the creators for being so amazing and sharing their best clips for this project. I am so proud to be sharing these moments with you guys. This is Mike from Drone Supremacy, and I'll catch you in my next video. Ciao!